Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. So many people ask me what's the difference between the FUE and the FUT. FUE works for certain people, FUT works for other people. I highly recommend the FUE for patients who are Norwood 1 through a Norwood 3 for somebody with my type of hair. However, if you're a Norwood 4 through 6, somebody who's completely bald as I was, I highly recommend the FUT procedure, which is the strip procedure. So when you're thinking about a hair transplant, that's one of the considerations you must take into effect. If you have very wavy or curly hair, different types of hair texture, type 3A to 4C, I highly recommend the FUT over the FUE, because what an FUE procedure is using is a burr hole needle to go ahead and extract the follicular bulb. When you have a little bit of a curl above the hairline, you have curl underneath the skin. And that metal object is not going to follow that curve down. So different ways of assessing, am I the right person for an FUE or the right person for an FUT? Call us here at Natural Transplants. I'm Dr. Siegel. Would love to answer more questions regarding the difference between an FUE and an FUT.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.